Comfort Nkanda pikin, why are you so pain? Wetin dey pain you? Why are you so bitter? Why are you so sadist? Wetin dey pain you? A woman like you wey give birth, you open mouth, they say which kind of decoration they decorate. So I hope it's not what you are thinking. He should not bring his own child to his own house. Why are you so pain? Before you go do what you do with odogwu, your sense come up for position. But ever since you do and finish, you not see gbola do again, but did they pepper you? Because no more gbola for you. No more gbola for you. Not be toast you. Not say I love you. He toast you with clear. I say, okay, I love you. I want you to be my girlfriend. I want to marry you. No. You did whatever you did with him the day when he drink. Ever since you not see gbola again, but did they pay you, but did they pepper you? Now so that body go pepper you, you go until you buy. But before I go into this matter, let me greet you. I greet you according to your time, wherever you are watching me for. This is Linda Gist TV. If you are just coming across my video for the first time, do me well by hitting the following button. Share this video for me. Make you not forget to drop your comments on the comment section. Like I always say, your opinion matters a lot. So guys, odogwu post video this afternoon where we said the number one traffic, they decorate the house with balu. Probably is bringing his child to the house. I don't know whether his mama don't wake up, because yesterday when he showed the video, his mama ever wake up. Maybe he won't bring the pikin come house. Maybe they don't discharge the pikin. And Comfort come out, they display stupidity. They display evil art. They display waywardness. They display for social media, make people they see. They display. By this time, Sefe, your husband, your ex-husband, your husband could just they rejoice. He could just they dance, because probably he don't even feel tired before. He don't feel tired before. So now he don't know say na devil he marry put for house. You are really a queen soon. You are a devil himself. Look at the way you are pain. See the way you are just pain. Eh? You just the pain. Before you go sleep with odogwu, you no say odogwu no go love you. You they love odogwu. Which day you started they love odogwu? Look how you so pain. Now this why you want odogwu to marry you. So odogwu do the traditional rights to claim a pikin, virtually say na ain't get pikin. So for your mind now you don't become a wife to small boy. You don't have shame. I see they talk and say you are really shameless. You are really shameless. You say me no carry a pikin con house. Now which person don't carry con house your own? Now your own don't come carry con house. Me odogwu no carry pikin. You are odogwu pikin who get house. You and odogwu pikin who get house. Before you go knock your papa, the way you go knock him, the pikin don't already dey mama womb. So who get house? You are a very, very stupid girl. Who get house? You are really bumble clack. You are a foolish girl if you don't know me, you know now. Now don't go and they blame, because he never put you for the position where you blame. He's supposed to put you for where you belong, so that you go get sense. Look at how you are bitter. Very sad this woman be. Pikin where you supposed to be happy. So that when time reach, if you want boy your own, may the blessing of the pikin follow you. You can't be sad. You say odogwu should not bring the pikin. Should not may not be what you they think if not odogwu. Now odogwu they keep you quiet. If the pikin they come house, odogwu they carry quiet. Do slippers flog and say make it not carry enter house, or make it push the pikin for anybody where carry the pikin. May you push the pikin come up for your hand, or may you rush enter the main building. May you go beat the pikin. But probably in the night you want just to cat where you can't disturb the pikin. Probably you chop winch, because not only you chop winch, now they who be me as now they behave this kind of behavior where you they behave. If you not be me as you will not behave this one. Maybe if you want just to cat in the night, maybe you can't go there. Maybe you go there, make the pikin make conversion. All and the Holy Ghost fire go for consume you. When you change to that cat, you can never change to woman be again. If your papa change to cat to go worry that pikin, your papa can never change to woman be again. It will remain that cat. Now that cat they go for fire. If you are very, very, your mind is so dark. You are very dark. Your mind there, it did dark. See, the pretenders where you pretend, you not even feel pretender finish which way you make you born. See your character. See the way you are pain, because you not see bola knock again, no more bola for you. You go there, they marry that boy's quarter. No more bola for you. Now that boy's quarter you go marry or till you born. If you born for you say you not go come out, you remain there. You remain there and marry the boy's quarter forever. fully. I never see where some people they very senseless and shame. In short, shame na person name supposed to be your name. You are really shameless. You are really shame. If they carry pikin come house, as they open motor, go push the pikin for the person hand. Go push the pikin for the person hand. So that the pikin not go make the pikin fall, so that he not go enter the house. Useless woman be. Very senseless person. Person where they carry a brain throw away, join his sense, join a placenta throw away for hospital. As mature as you are, you don't have sense. I'm still saying it. As mature as you are, you don't have sense. As you say, you will not give odogwu peace. That is how we blogger will continue to drag you. You will not have peace. You will not have peace. Guys, share this video. You will not have peace. Senseless woman, you will not have peace.